Only on Fox 6, a third Department of Corrections inmate has passed away after contracting COVID-19. The Fond du Lac County Medical Examiner tells us that inmate became ill and passed away at a hospital. Angelica Sanchez has more on his death from Madison, where people continue to protest outside the governor's mansion.
People who are incarcerated did not get sentenced to death.
A coalition of families, faith-based groups, and several community organizations are urging Governor Tony Evers to release certain inmates inside state prisons. They say there is not enough room for social distancing, and recent COVID-19 outbreaks are proof.
It's time for us to address COVID-19 in our state prison.
Fox 6 has learned a third Department of Corrections inmate has died after contracting COVID-19. According to the Fond du Lac County Medical Examiner's office, the inmate was housed inside the Kettle Moraine Correctional Institution, a state prison dealing with a large COVID-19 outbreak that now appears to be on the downward trend. The ME says the inmate became ill inside the prison and was taken to a local hospital where he later passed away. According to the ME, the inmate's cause of death was COVID-19 pneumonia. He had underlying health conditions such as type 2 diabetes and obesity. He was 56 years old. The first two inmates to die after contracting COVID-19 were reported in early October out of Dodge Correctional Institution.
While I was in there, we all had the question, what is he going to say about the people who are incarcerated?
Eugene Chrysler was released from New Lisbon Correctional Institution 45 days ago. He says he witnessed firsthand the difficulties of social distancing inside a facility. He's now part of the coalition advocating for the release of certain inmates.
We're all humans. We all have made choices, and we have to live with our choices, but that doesn't mean that we have to be condemned.
We reached out to the Department of Corrections, and they tell us our goal during the public health crisis remains keeping COVID-19 out of our institutions and limiting the spread of the virus at facilities with positive cases. They had much more to say on this situation. Head over to our story on our website, fox6now.com. Reporting in Madison, Angelica Sanchez, Fox 6 News.
And we also reached out to the governor's office, but have yet to hear back. The people demonstrating outside the governor's mansion say they plan to stay there until the governor addresses this issue.